Some of the grand challenges of the 21st century are perhaps a consequence of some of the greatest achievements of the 20th century. The question is, what was missing then in our thinking, and how do we incorporate it into our thinking today from lessons learned?
We make wearables for plants with the aim of making agriculture more sustainable. And we can tell people that are interested in plants how healthy their crops are at any moment in time. It enables farmers to apply water or crop treatments only when they're needed. It's critical for the future. If we want to feed a growing population, we need to be listening to plants.
Hydrosat is a data analytics company that's focused on thermal imageries. We have a new technology that allows high-resolution, continuous imagery of the Earth, and what we're doing is providing the data that will help inform the scientists and the engineers to be able to solve some of these climate problems.
AI is built from data, and that data comes from humans. All of our biases, positive and negative, are captured in that data, changing the representation of people around the decision-making tables where AI is being designed, used, and deployed. It is really key that these powerful tools will be used to build products and services that address the needs of everybody.
It's really valuable for us to find new and unique ways to surface relevant data that's going to help us make better decisions. Systems thinking is challenging us to create new innovations that take into consideration not only the ecological outcomes, but also the outcomes for people.